Very good morning to all the students. Today we are going to learn about Sanskrit Subhashitani. Sanskrit Subhashitanis are full of wisdoms. Takshakasya visham dante, makshikayascha mastake, vrishchikasya visham puche, sarvange durjanasya cha. Takshakasya visham dante, makshikayascha mastake, vrishchikasya visham puche, sarvange durjanasya cha. What does it mean? What do you mean by this Subhashitani? Taksakashya visham dante. It means that a snake has a poison in its teeth. Makshikayascha mastake. It means that the bee carries the poison in its head. Vrishchikasya visham puche. A scorpion carries the poison in its tail. Sarvange durjanasya cha. Whereas when you talk about a bad person, a ill-mannered person, a wrong person, his entire body is full of poison. It means he's full of negativity. He's full of ill-mannerism. He always thinks that things are wrong. So, my dear soldiers, understand that whenever you choose friends, you be in the company of good-mannered people, people who are poisonous, who are negative, who always go in a wrong direction. They are not to be trusted. They are durjanas. What we say durjanas means evildoers. Evildoers will always think of doing wrong only. That's the thing. That's why you should be aware of them. You should be aware of these kind of people. They may cause a harm. Let us read again. Takshakasya visham dante, makshikayascha mastake, vrishchikasya visham puche, sarvange durjanasya cha. Thank you very much.